Imagine having your own personal sales assistant that not only customizes your strategy with every lead that you with, but updates your entire plan in real time as you engage with them. Meet Nav, your ultimate streamline to success. So in this video, what we're going to show you is some of the features, the new features that Nowsite has come out with their new, I guess, feature program that's included in their system. Well, it's an add-on for sales. It's literally a sales system. So for whatever business you may have, whatever you may be doing, when it comes to sales, this is for you. So you have to check it out. We're going to have these VP of sales, Cheryl Coko, dive into it and show you a little bit of how that works and what you can do with it. So with that, we're going to turn it over to Cheryl.
Is now live, and I'm just going to take you through a bit of what you can get started doing with Nav. So I'm going to come right on over here, and you should see the Nav button at the top left-hand corner. It's right above the home screen, and we're going to get to that in just a second. We're going to go and head on over to our business or product profiles, and we're going to start there. And of course, you have your business or product profiles, but I'm going to go into this one that says travel business. When I open it, you can see that Nav has not yet been activated for this business, nor has it been given a new customer acquisition system, target customer, or what my leading main product is. So what I'm going to do is click regenerate. And when I do, I'll be given a sales system for my travel business. That sales system will include, of course, the customer acquisition system, like you see here, right? Step 1, initiate engagement, start a conversation. That kind of goes through each and every step. Of course, you can add, edit, or change things. Here's the target customer and what the leading main product is. Now I can turn on Nav here for my travel business and click on save. And now my business profile is successfully updated. I can also, of course, come to my business or product profiles, and let's just add a new one, okay? So I can call this Get Fit Essentials, and I can describe my business or product as we help people get healthy and maintain an active lifestyle. Okay, and I'm going to continue or make sure to toggle Nav on and just go ahead and click on create. And now I have not only my brand fonts and business or product profile and keywords, but I also have the customer acquisition system here, who my target customer is, and what my leading main product is. So essentially, my sales system for Nav, for my business Get Fit Essentials. So now, whether you create a new business or product profile, or you have an existing one, you know how to update it and turn on Nav for that business or product profile. We're going to go right back into the home screen, and here we're going to click on Nav, and it says welcome to Nav. To activate Nav, please select a business profile. So we can go through this together, and we can decide to use the travel business here, and I'm just going to go ahead and click get started. Now, Nav is going to tell me exactly where to go in the product, and it says to get started, go to the contact section and activate Nav on one of your leads. So let's go ahead and go to the contact section and go to my contacts. And I'm just going to take a scroll here or scroll down here and decide that maybe I want to work with Tess today. So I'm going to click on Tess. And I'm going to select the business or product profile here. I'm going to use my travel business and turn on Nav. And now when I turn on Nav, an entire sales plan is being generated for my lead. It's unique to them. It's customized for my business and this lead which is really awesome. So each person, each lead gets their own customized plan. This one starts with start a conversation with Tess through a direct message or email, expressing shared interests in travel or recent trends. Now, if I need help navigating through this sales plan with Tess, or I want to update this sales plan, I can come over here and pull in Nav at any time while I'm talking to my lead. So I can say something like, I want to initiate engagement with Tess, but I'm not sure what to say. Can you help me with a short message? Right? And Nav will write the short message to Tess or start and create that short message to start the conversation with Tess. So you can see here it says, here's a suggestion for your initial engagement, a message to Tess. And it creates the perfect message that we can send. And of course it says, feel free to personalize it based on your relationship with Tess. And I bring this up because anything you share with Nav over here in this chat, anything that you can add to Nav will update the sales plan. So what I can do here is, just as an example, I can say, I reached out to Tess, I sent the message, and she responded, and I can say something like, can you update my sales plan? Okay, so I'm just kind of letting Nav know what happens during the engagement with my lead every step of the way, and I can send it here. And Nav will, of course, kind of take and know what I've done with Tess, but also update the sales plan to reflect that. No matter what I tell Nav about Tess in the future, it will always share and update that sales plan for Tess as well. And so it says, great to hear that Tess responded. The sales plan has been updated. The next step is to spark interest. So right here, if I kind of refresh and update, you'll see that the sales plan, right, where it said to initiate engagement here, right, has been updated. So it adds a check mark. It knows that we've done this, and it tells me exactly what to do next. I can activate Nav for a bunch of different leads and follow my plan, all while having Nav right here to discuss any one of my leads and update Nav, so I always know what the next best step to do is with a customized sales plan for each lead all the way until I close the sale. Thanks so much.
See, you see it with your own eyes, guys. This is true. This is AI at its finest. This is an amazing tool for you and helping your business to close sales, to help follow up, to do it for you. So I love this, and it's constantly evolving. This is just the tip of the iceberg of what it can do. They're adding more sections. As you saw, there's little tabs in there, but we'll go on that more in a live demo in another video. But with that, guys, don't wait, because this is a great deal, and this is a great feature if you are into sales. If you have a team, let's say you have new people who don't really know how to sell stuff. People hate being sold to, but they love to buy. And here's the thing, this actually tells you how to offer your product or service, whatever you have, to people in the right manner. This is key. A lot of people don't share those tips and tricks with it. This does it for you. So with that, we're going to wrap this up. If you want to know more information about this, or if you have any questions or concerns, hey, hit me up, put it in comment or text me. My number is actually in the description, so you can actually text me or call me. I do answer, and or just comment, and I'll reply to those too. So with that, guys, if you want to get your hands on this, I might have a special deal for you guys, but act fast, because this will not last forever. So until next one, guys, take care, be safe, and be blessed.